Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious Piña Colada, Jello, and fruit salad. So in case you guys don't know how to make this super easy and delicious dessert, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our flavored gelatin. I'm going to be using 1 pineapple and 1 coconut, and you can find these at your local supermarket. Okay, so we're going to get them ready. We're going to begin by spraying our baking dish with some non-stick cooking spray. And just make sure that you use the smallest dish that you have. Remove the excess. So I'm going to begin by making my water-based gelatin. This is the pineapple. So I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of hot water. And just throw it in there and mix. It smells so good. Just make sure that it dissolves completely. Okay, once dissolved, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of cold water. And just mix it. Okay, we can now transfer it to our baking dish. Okay, so to make our coconut gelatin, we're going to repeat the same steps, but instead of using water, we're going to be using milk. So I already have my boiling hot milk here. Just going to dissolve the gelatin. So just mix, mix, mix. I'm going to add my milk. Into this, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut flakes. And if you want to make it for adults only, add a little rum. Okay, so once we have that, we can transfer it to our baking dish. So now we're going to transfer it to our refrigerator and allow it to sit for at least 4 hours. Okay, so once our gelatins have set, we're going to remove them from our baking dish. So just carefully pull it apart. Okay, we're just going to flip it over. And cut our gelatin into little squares. I'm just going to transfer them back to my baking dish. And do the same to the coconut one. Alrighty, and once we have our gelatin ready, now we are ready to put it all together. So we're going to grab our glass bowl, and I'm going to be adding 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. And to that, we're going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed coconut milk. So we're just going to begin to beat until the cream cheese has dissolved. So just mix until the cream cheese has combined with the condensed milk. And once it's nice and creamy, we're going to add 8 ounces of sour cream. So mix it. Okay, and once that's mixed, we're going to add 8 ounces of Cool Whip, or you can use 1 cup of heavy cream. Mix it. I'm going to be adding 1/2 cup of the pineapple juice, the same pineapple juice that's in the pineapples. Okay, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of coconut extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of rum extract. Of course, if you're making it for adults, use the real thing. And at this point, you can taste it and see if it's sweet enough for you. But I also like to add a little bit of the cream of coconut. So once our cream is ready, we're going to add 2 cans of pineapple. Along with all of our Jello. Okay, so this is all optional, but I also like to add a little bit of marshmallows just to add a little color in there. Along with chopped pecans. And of course, coconut flakes. Now we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, so once we have it all mixed together, we're going to allow it to chill for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Alright guys, so after at least 30 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part. So of course you can decorate it here, you know, if you're taking it to your family or you're gathering, but I'm just going to be doing it individually. So I'm going to get my serving cups. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some fresh pineapple to the bottom of my cup. Now we're going to grab our fruit. And of course you add as much as you want to make them look nice and pretty. I'm going to top it with a little crushed pecans and a little bit more coconut flakes. And lastly, we're going to grab fresh pineapple. Going to grab a toothpick. And we're going to top it with a cherry. Just like that. And just like that, we are ready to enjoy our delicious Piña Colada fruit salad. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now I am so ready, you guys. Let me tell you that this is honestly super delicious. It's perfect, you know, for your upcoming gatherings. Everybody will enjoy it. And like I mentioned, if you want to make it, you know, an adult-only drink, then you can add a little rum. This is honestly the best Piña Colada fruit salad. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much as we do. Cheers and enjoy. It's so perfect. It's not too sweet. The pineapple balances all down, you know. The coconut, everything, it's perfect. It tastes like a piña colada. And then you have the different textures. The best. And the best part is that your kids will enjoy it too. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious Piña Colada jello and fruit salad. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you request this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.